In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain on the Cloudflare Marketplace. Whether you're setting up a personal blog or launching a new business, securing the right domain is your first step to establishing an online presence. So let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your Cloudflare account dashboard. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so. Once you're at the account home, navigate to the section labeled Demo Account or your specific account name. This is your starting point on the Cloudflare platform, and it will provide a streamlined interface for all your domain and registration needs. Once you're logged in and on the right page, look for the Domain Registration option. It's typically found in the main menu of your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you directly to the registration page where the process of finding and purchasing your desired domain begins. After you've landed on the domain registration page, the next step is to enter the name of the domain you want to purchase. Make sure to type it correctly and check the spelling meticulously. Choosing a domain name that is both unique and easy to remember is crucial for establishing a significant online identity. As you enter it, Cloudflare will start a quick search to confirm the availability of that domain. Now click on the Search button. This action will verify whether your preferred domain name is available for registration. If the domain is taken, you're likely to see suggestions for other similar domains. But if it's available, you can proceed with acquiring it. Once you've found a domain that suits your needs and is available, the next step is to click on the Purchase button. This is where you commit to securing the domain under your ownership. At this stage, it's a good idea to take a moment to verify all your details before moving forward with the purchase. After confirming everything is correct, you'll find yourself at the registration completion phase. Here, you'll need to provide some personal information that's necessary for legal records. This is standard procedure when registering any domain and ensures that everything is set up correctly and legally. With your details entered, it's time to choose your payment option. Cloudflare offers various methods for payment, so you'll likely find one that suits your needs. Once you've completed the payment information, be sure to verify your address. This verification step helps ensure that the payment is correctly processed and your domain purchase will then go through seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased a domain on Cloudflare Marketplace, setting the stage for your website's future growth. Whether you're creating a personal page or a bustling online business, having your domain is essential. Remember to take note of any renewal dates to keep your domain active. And be sure to explore all the cloud services Cloudflare offers to enhance your website's performance. Thank you for watching, and happy domain hunting.